Well, I saw your question about graphing. You specifically asked about this one, determine the amplitude, period, and phase shift in graph 1 period. So y equal 3 times the cosine of quantity 2x minus 4 pi. So to find the amplitude, you just look at this number here in front. You know, the amplitude's 3, and it looks like you got that part correct. Find the period, you take 2 pi and you divide it by the coefficient of x. So, you know, amplitude just came from there. Period, to find the period, you take 2 pi and divide it by b. In this case, b is 2, so 2 pi divided by 2, you know, the period is pi, which you seem to have answered that correctly. You know, just take 2 pi and divide it by b. Okay, finally the phase shift, which you did miss. There's a couple ways you can do this. I just like to take what's in the parentheses and set it equals 0 and solve. I know the book says something a little different, so I just take 2x minus 4 pi. I set that equal to 0. You add 4 pi at each side. 2x equals 4 pi. Divide by 2, and x equals 2 pi. So, you know, that 2 pi. So I just take what's in parentheses, set equals 0, and solve, and that tells you the phase shift. So the amplitude's 3, so it's going to be bouncing up and down between 3, and we can see this one is not doing that. You know, 3's up to here. Let's see, I guess this one's going up and down between 3, so, you know, it's a candidate. The period's pi, so we get a whole period. You know, here it goes from 2 pi to 3 pi, so we got a whole period here. And it is, you know, normally we start at 0, and this one's starting at 2 pi. And give us the cosine. This one's also, you know, going from 2 pi to 3 pi. I guess all three of these are. But this one's the correct graph of the cosine with the correct amplitude. You know, this one's starting at the wrong place. This is like the minus cosine. It's starting at the wrong place also. Hope this helps.